Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy bag unbagging video. I just got it. I just got home and I just got this. So let's open it. I haven't filmed a video in forever. You freaking okay. I haven't, usually I look at what I get sometimes, most of the time, but I haven't seen anything of the bag. I haven't even seen the bag, what it looks like, so let's get into it. Wait, I need a chicken nugget. Look at these leggings I bought at Torrid. They're just black, but I wanted to show you, huh? I'm so hyper right now. I don't know why. So, here's the bag.
For International Women's Day.
Is it really for that?
I think. I mean, it was just like last Thursday.
Oh yeah, it was, wasn't it? So it's just a bunch of women silhouettes. I actually kind of like this bag. So where's the cord? It says create. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, mash up 2 lipsticks, blend your own custom blank shade. Boring. Need a starting point, get creative with this month's color, but I don't know. They included 2 markers. Oh, they did give us, they gave us 2 markers. Look. That's so, that's actually kind of cool. So they gave us 2 markers to color on our little bag. I'm not going to color on my bag because I don't want to ruin it. But I do want to see what these markers look like. I love stationery. So pretty, hot pink. Whoa. Right there. Anyway, so that's actually really cool. I actually kind of like this concept of color your own bag. Well, it's just cool. Okay, so the first thing I got was a Her Minerals blending sponge, and this is what it looks like. Just a little blending sponge. Can you see it? That's what it looks like. It feels decent. I really don't like the shapes of these types of blending sponges just because I feel like it's a little bit more, you have to, like, it's not as easy of an application as something like this, like, you know, like round or flat or whatever. This is kind of like has ridges. So I don't know, I'll use it, but that's not super crazy about that. Oh, this box is super cute. This is from Winky Lux. It's a holographic highlighter. Look at the box. You see that box, Liberty? Yes. And it's in Charm. And let's see if it's really hollow. If it's really hollow. There's the packaging. Definitely hollow. So let's swatch it and see.
Sorry.
It doesn't look hollow. It just. Whoa! Wait, it's not really hollow. But that's really cool. Look at my finger.
Well, it's like chrome.
Yeah, it's like chrome. Whoa. This reminds me of these eyeshadows that I got in last month's BoxyCharm. The Naked Cosmetics ones. So that's what this highlighter reminds me of. It's definitely really pretty though, and I will use it either as an eyeshadow or a highlighter. It's not, like I said, it's not completely hollow, but it is like chrome, and that's really cool. I really like that. That's fun. Okay, so next thing is what brand is this? Ico London mascara. This is blue. I want to open it, but then I don't, because I don't want it to dry out before I'm ready to use it. So I'm not going to open it. I can't tell. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it, but it says that you just squeeze the tube and the product goes through the brush. You know what, let me just open it. Okay, so it's just a black mascara, but I was thinking it was something different. But anyways, I actually really like this brush, so I'm excited to try out that mascara. Next thing is, this is from Twila True, and this is what the box looks like, just a plain white box. And let's see what this is. This is a True Renewal Oil with True Power Complex Fragrance Free. I love oils. Oh yeah, and this bottle is actually really, really pretty. I love it. So, I mean, it's probably just gonna feel like a regular oil. Yeah, it's a little bit thicker. It's a thicker oil, feels like. So I'm really excited for this. So you can just you can just use this in dry areas. So yeah. So next thing I got was this Glossier product, and this is a coconut balm, so just like a lotion, pretty much. Wait, is this like a lip balm? Wait, I think it's a lip balm. Yeah, I think it's a lip balm. So yeah, I will definitely use this because, as you can see, my lips are always dry, so I always need something to moisturize. And that's everything in my box. So this was a really good box for me, to be honest. Where's that mascara? Why did I throw it in here? So I got the mascara, which I'll use. I'll use the mascara. Definitely will use this lip balm. Definitely will use the oil. Definitely will use the highlighter. And I'll use this, but I wasn't too excited about it. So yeah, that was everything in my bag. And yeah, this month's Ipsy was really, really good. So let's clap. And yeah, so that was everything in my Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys next time.